Life insurance plans na pwedeng gamitin as educational fund. So, meron tayo na prepare na tatlong products, Save and Protect Plus, Secure Income 10, and MaxiLink Prime. Save and Protect Plus, ang payer natin ay si tatay who is 45-year-old male, siya rin ang ating insured. Ang face amount is 500,000, insurance coverage is 500,000. Insured siya for 20 years, paying period is 5 years only. Pwedeng magdagdag ng critical illness benefit and hospital income benefit. At may kasama na tong free living benefit rider or 60% of the face amount in case si insured ay ma-diagnose ng terminal illness. Annual premium is 71,428.55. Endowment, wala. ROP, 140% of the total premium paid, kaya 71,428.55 times 5 years times 140%, we have 500,000 here. Dividends, wala. The second one is Secure Income 10. Payer natin is si tatay. Insured ay ang kanyang anak na 2-year-old. Then, face amount is 500,000. Insurance coverage is 1 million. Insured si baby until age 100. Paying period is 10 years. Pwede magdagdag ng accidental death benefit. Waiver of premium in case of death or disability of the initial owner. Critical illness benefit, HIV. Meron din tong kasamang free living benefit rider. Annual premium is 108,460. Meron siyang endowment na 6% of the face amount starting on the 6th policy year and every year. So 30,000 on the first year. Then after 20 years, possible tayo magkaroon ng 623,000. ROP, wala tong ROP pero meron tong guaranteed cash value na we can withdraw in a form of loan. Meron din tong dividends, though it's not guaranteed, pero if we will be using the prevailing dividend rate, meron tayong pwedeng ma-expect na 318,000 after 20 years. The last one is MaxiLink Prime. It is an insurance with investment. Payer natin is si father. Ang insured natin ay si baby. Face amount is 350,000. Life insurance coverage is 700,000. Insurance coverage is until age 88 ni baby. Paying years as long as active yung plan. Expect natin na magbabayad tayo. Riders, pwede tayong magdagdag ng ADB and WPD. Anong benefits nito? Dahil ito ay with investment, possible na may potential growth yung pera natin. Annual premium is 30,000. Endowment, wala siyang endowment, pero meron tayong possible withdrawal. Depende kung magkano yung magiging actual fund value na market driven. So, hindi to guaranteed. Dividends, wala siyang dividends. Ang pwede nating maging consideration is ano yung pwede nating i-commit. Can we commit 71,428.55 for 5 years? Or 108,460 for 10 years? Or 30,000 every year as long as active yung ating policy?